Pass to begin. Windlass is by the rail and in third, Glance of the Wind moving upon the outside. Naughty Tatat, Shadow Grove, and Loving Touch in that order. Passing before the judges stand. We've got La Sombra by about 3 lengths. Glance of the Wind in second. Alongside third, Shadow Grove. Windlass is by the rail fourth, then followed by Naughty Tatat. And Loving Touch still racing in last as they swing down the back. La Sombra by about 3 lengths. And in second is Glance of the Wind, Windlass, Shadow Grove. About 5 wide is Naughty Tatat and Loving Touch still racing in last. And it's still La Sombra by only a length and a half. Here comes Glance of the Wind, Shadow Grove on the outside, Windlass. And Naughty Tatat in fifth and Loving Touch. La Sombra still in front by a length. Windlass now coming closer in second. And on the outside, Glance of the Wind, Shadow Grove. Naughty Tatat still in fifth and Loving Touch. We've got Windlass running by the rail. And on the outside now is Glance of the Wind, Shadow Grove. As they come down at the last 200. Windlass is by the rail. And on the outside comes Glance of the Wind, Shadow Grove.
Nabot ba?
Too close to call yun, ha? Talagang
diba?
Yung
head bobbing kasi yun eh.
Oo, tama ka dun, partner, no? Tingnan natin mamaya sa ating slow-mo. Siguradong bibigyan naman tayo ng slow-mo dyan sa ating photo purpose na yan. Between Windlass and Glance of the Wind. Meanwhile, ang ating quarters, 18.5, 25, 25.5, 28, 1 minute 37 seconds flat ang preba ng ating race number 5. Naglalaban nga sa photo, Windlass at Glance of the Wind.
Whatever, basta may wind.
Wind.
Parang may wind.
And finally, Glance of the Windlass. Ganun ba?
Ganun nga. Kung race school mo yun, malamang ganun.
Eto, at this point of the race, nauna na itong si Windlass. Nasa tabing balya. Medyo si Glance of the Wind, napa-wide pa ng turn. At akala nga natin dito, lalagpasan ng tuluyan, pero hindi. Still, si Windlass may reserve energy. At si Shadow Grove naman, nasa tersera pwesto, pero mag-concentrate tayo rito between 1 and 2. Ito na yung ating finish line. Huwag po kayong magbabase dyan, ha? Dahil kuha po ng makisig yan, hindi po yan ang official. This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Katialis.
Ito yung slow-mo. Tingnan natin, ha?
Tingnan natin.
Kung lumampas o hindi. Pero head bobbing na nga lang ito, eh.
Oo, pero ako kasi nagre-rely ako dito yung sino yung kabayang nasa labas pirmi, no?
Yan, lalamang na siya.
1,
Ito,
2, 1, 2, 1. Bahala na kayo kung ano yung susunod ko.
1.
Yun naman sa akin sa paningin ko lang.
Sige yan na.
Pero nasa ilalim.
Pahig na ako.
Nasa ilalim ang
tuka. Nasa ilalim ang tuka nung nanalo ba? O whatever.
Ay, basta yan. Sabi mo nga, siguradong mananalo dyan. May win.
Yan. Tiyak. Kahit tanong mo pa kay Coach Leo yan.
Ulitin natin, ha? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Bahala na kayo dyan kung ano missing number ngayon sa sinasabi ko.
Ganon ba yun?
Yun lang mo sa akin,
Parang nag-entrance exam ka.
Pero antayin nyo pa rin.